Hello everyone, today we will be fixing our Clio 3. So basically the problem that I was having is, for example, every time it rains, my wiper motor, it was running very slow. And also when I was driving and it was raining, I start feeling some water in the area of the dashboard. I can hear it inside the car when I am driving. Well, basically, this water is outside. I will show you in the video how to fix the problem. This is a very common problem, especially if you live in a country that rains a lot. Like, for example, I am in Germany, or if you're in the UK or in Netherlands, that is a very common problem in the Clio number 3. And basically what we're doing in the video, we're gonna unplug some holes. That the function of these holes is to drain the water when it rains, and sometimes with the dust or leaves or mud, these holes get stuck or with a lot of dust. So to do this process, we need to remove the wipers, and then after the wipers are removed, we need to remove this plastic. There are two plastic pins on each side, and now with the help of the flathead, we're gonna remove some plastic clips to remove this second plastic. And basically this is the area where are these holes. These are the holes that need to unplug, and this is the part that was filling with water because these holes are stuck with a lot of dust. And if you don't solve this problem, you will have problems with your wiper motor. Already clean this area and already clean all the area, all the leaves. I remove it and I clean this second hole in general. And with help of this wire, I basically run through the holes so I can make sure that everything inside the hole is running. And the way to check if these holes are working, we need to add some water in this area, and we should be able to see the water draining under the car. If you're seeing the water under the car, basically your problem is solved. Now we need to put everything back, and it's basically the same process as we remove it, just in reverse. Thank you very much. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.